All right, everybody, as y'all can see, we got some dark clouds in the distance. Got a line of storms coming in. 70-something degrees right now, going to drop down in the 30s tonight. So got to get these cows some hay. Let's see how it goes. I have to open this gate over here, but it's starting to kind of sprinkle a little bit. All right, he's still up there, and I'm done, so that's good. You just never, every day's different. It's not always the same thing. I think I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna tweak the videos like this, and sometimes it's so fast paced, you just got to get going. And this weather, it's coming in, I don't know, an hour or so, but it's going to be real strong storms. Could be tornado like last time, but I don't think as bad as last time. Last time thankfully we were okay and we didn't get any of the real bad stuff. Hopefully weather won't be too bad. When it's cold, they will have something in their stomachs to keep them warm. So that's why we do it here. So thanks for tuning in.